Welcome back, everybody. It's Friday the 13th, February. Um, Pretty good trading day today, even though could have been brutal with the way the market was moving this morning. I took two trades, one in the evening session, and one later this morning, or what was it? Almost noon, I think. But let's just jump into it quickly. Overall, on two accounts was 336. Again, copy traded winners. And then last night was just one again. I was on my phone. This was last night's trade, our 7 o'clock opening range. This trade was kind of like the one I took yesterday in the afternoon. We had pushed down, and I saw this double bottom here with the RSI looking very bullish. So I just grabbed along after this retest of this sort of resistance slash support now. Took it great. It was only $126, but whatever. I'm not going for, I don't expect much during that evening session. So this morning, it was a chop fest. And I think I really like this strategy that I'm trading now because, as early as 2 weeks ago, I probably would have blown my account on this, especially since we're moving. What these ranges are, 96 to, these are 100-point ranges, which, on a 1 minute chart to see something like that is insane. But yeah, so I was kind of watching the market. I got to the office and it started pulling back. So at this point, I was looking for two things. I was looking for either to sell off and then take a trade, like sell straight through the 50% zone area and then take a trade off this order block, or like it did here, we had this sort of quick double bottom and a good divergence here. As you can see, the RSI actually was like a double bottom here, and this actually pushed and created a quick low. So yeah, the idea was I wait for the breakout, take the retest, and then take off. And we can watch that quickly here now. I was getting kind of interested at this point, or I was kind of at this point thinking, oh no, we're missing out. Price is moving away. But realistically, it'd be foolish to buy it at this top. I've done it many, many times in the past and always got burned on the move down or the wick back. And so I was waiting patiently. And as you can see, I was on my phone. I wasn't even expecting anything to happen at this point. And with the range so high, yeah, was kind of just, I wouldn't have minded if I just sat this one out. Just put it that way. It was Friday and I didn't feel like losing either, but I didn't have that same feeling as I did last time. So last Friday. So here I was waiting, and then I could see that it was basically respecting the 9 EMA. You could see on the trading view chart. You don't see the RSI, I'm blocking it, but I mentioned that earlier. So as it holds it, I took it on the bar close, pretty tight stop loss in retrospect, even though I think that was like a 13-point stop loss. Yeah, I had my finger on the trigger. Realistically, I shouldn't have. It's either you win or you lose this one, and I think that's why I was kind of just thinking about it. But it pushed up nicely, and that was just quick, $700 almost in a matter of seconds. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will be back next week, next Monday. Have a nice weekend.